Check it out. 12-piece plastic scraper toolkit. I've always got something I've got to clean. Set of 3 different pieces in each package. 4 packages total. 3 slightly different tools in each of 4 packages. 3 different tools. One's got a scraper on each side. One's got a flat scraper and a curve point. One's got a flat scraper with a notch and a straight point. I've already sprayed out the inside of this toolbox with a solvent, which shall remain nameless. I'm going to go ahead and scrape some. Doesn't look real bad. Seems to have cleaned up the box okay. Try to zero in on the tool. I will. Wipe it off. Still nice edges on it. Doesn't appear to be damaged, bumped up, rough at all. Did pretty good on this old toolbox so far. Despite being plastic, it did look like it scraped out the paint. So it's a rigid plastic. It's not a soft plastic. Still, maybe with a little bit of care, I could finish cleaning this box up without too much damage. That was more my fault than anything. Definite scrapes, but the tool is undamaged, so that's nice. I just need to lighten up a little bit. Okay, so it's been about 12 hours or so that this tool tray had been soaking. I'm just going to lightly scrape it. I'm not going to wail away at it, trying to clean it real tight, real hard here. My experience with the paint peeling yesterday. Just see what I can do. Overall, to me, it seems as though it's a nice alternative to using your thumbnail or your fingernail to clean something. It's got about the same hardness, about the same sharpness. Sometimes you just get tired of using your nails to scrape everything. This is probably closest to that consistency and use. And of course, with the reach that it has, you can get in crevices and nooks and corners and everything way better than you actually can with a fingernail or a thumbnail. Cleans up nice. Sometimes you just get tired of having to clean your nails after cleaning something else. I like it. I like it. I try these points. I haven't really used the points. I like the scraper so much. Oh yeah, the points clean out the These are also very helpful, cleaning out some of these smaller areas, corners and the like. Again, don't be too aggressive. It will go ahead and scrape off the paint. That's not your goal. The goal is just clear up some stuff that you normally wouldn't be able to get to with your nails. I like it. Yeah, when you find the appropriate job for it. quality, nice hardness, good reach.